It is slow, but it is overall is good.
स्लो म्हणजे कितें कोविडाक लागून बी लोक मातशे भायर
Because
तशें
of COVID
कितें
and all the things. See, it is a holiday. Saturday basically is a holiday also. It's been declared a holiday something. So people are taking their own time. People must be feeling, no, in the morning they must be rushed. So we'll go in the afternoon. So people must be doing their duty and they're getting their.
मोस्ट ऑफ वाट तुमी कम्फर्टेबल दिसता म्हणजे खंयचे स्ट्रॉंग फायट जातले अशें दिसता.
See, I don't look at fight anywhere. As I am confident that I will get 30 out of 30. See, we have got an agenda. We have got a vision. The opposition has got no agenda. There are only one agenda is to attack me. That's the reason all these parties, basically all parties have come together with no agenda whatsoever. So in this itself, I hope these same parties come together, stay united like this only to fight the BJP.
ओके लोक कितें म्हणून वोटींग करतले इशूंक घेवन वोटींग करतले कशें म्हणून वोटींग करतले लोक.
See, most important thing, we have won the panel 3 times earlier. This is the 4th time, but this is the first time. This is a unique opportunity which we get. Is I being the MLA of Delhi.
And BJP.
Yeah, when being an MLA of Delhi. Otherwise, it used to be whatever. I was an MLA of Santa Cruz and I was an MLA of Kaligaon earlier when we put it in the panel. But still, people had confidence in it. And I am sure that confidence is still maintained by the people.
ओके पयलीं फायट जाताली तुमची न्हू इट इज बाबूश पॅनल वर्सीस BJP पॅनल अबाउट इट इज बाबुशाचे BJP पॅनल सो हेजो कितलो फायदो जाता तुमकां.
Now it is actually BJP versus the rest. Rest all the parties have come together. So I can clearly say it is BJP versus the rest.
Okay.
Some of the former BJP councillors have extended support to the opposition. Do you think that's a factor?
See, leader is the fellow who comes in front and shows his face. They say, okay, I am here. It's immaterial whether party takes any. See, behind the curtains is what I have to say is a cover. I want leaders basically to come in front and say, yes, I am leading. I am against Babush and I am against the party. It's very clear as that. I would like to make it very clear. As far as the BJP, our party is concerned, I believe fully 100% of the Karyakarta and basically BJP supporters are not with you. 50% are with you. I can put it that way. So it is okay. For me, I see there is no problem whatsoever.
So it's immaterial. It won't affect your chances or your success.
Definitely, it will not. Ultimately, people know who is here to deliver. They don't have any agenda. Their agenda is only wanting to defeat Babush. Do you see there are some mayors who were there earlier who are saying that I'm going to make concession of 50%. These people were mayors for 4 terms, for 4 years. You didn't make them 5 rupees concession. So when you can say that you are going to make concession, and others also the purpose of the CCP are over. So I am just trying to tell you who can make this concession are the people who know that I cannot win. When I cannot win, I cannot deliver. It's simple as that. So there is nothing, no deliverance for them at all. Their group is come together to say, okay, we need anyhow to see that Babush is defeated.
पण लास्ट टायम तुम्ही म्हटलेलें की ऑपोजिशन आपल्याक दुसऱ्या कडल्यान विदीन पार्टी आसा ते पिक्चर क्लियर जालें तुमकां की कोण तुज्या वांगडा कोण तुज्या वांगडा ना.
In the first meeting when we had, I was very clear on one thing. Even if they say that, let us all meet together and discuss. I said, it's very clear. I like to see my enemies in front of me. I don't want my enemies to come behind me, sit behind my this thing and start stepping me. Then I would have to look right, left, center. My enemies, I want to see them in front of me. I can deal with my enemies in front. Then being my friend and stepping me behind.
The picture clear झाला आता कोण enemy कोण.
It is very clear. No, these were always there. These people feel what is one. There are some people now. Say some leaders from the rebel leaders from the BJP. It's clearly there. They feel whatever. Babush is going to leave, and then we will get a chance. I have clearly, categorically told the leader, whoever was there first in my first meeting. First, before we discuss anything, let me discuss one thing. Let me make one thing very clear. Babush is here in the BJP. He will stay in the BJP. You have got no chance whatsoever as far as Benjamin is concerned. So you look at your vesture somewhere else.
And you will retire in BJP.
Sorry?
Retire in BJP.
I will retire in BJP. As I said, no, I am here in BJP.
So that disciplinary action should be taken against those
No. See, I am not here to dictate terms to the party. The party knows what is to be done and what is not to be done. I am not here. I am just a worker. I am not a leader. As I said, I am working and I am still working. I don't want to be a leader. I want to work for the people. That is more important.
खूप जणांनी इश्यू रेज केले की बीजेपीन पॅनल काढला आणि बाबुशाकडे दिले पार्टीन डिसाईड करून ना एव्हरीथिंग बाबूच डिसायडेड म्हणून आणि तो प्रॉब्लेम झाला.
See, I think there's a mixed bag everywhere. Everyone could not be accommodated. So gracefully, see, there is a saying, all are not winners. Some has to stand and clap as they go by. So these people don't want to clap. They also want to run actually last, even after the race has started. That is I am saying, if you're real leader, no, you yourself contest. No? Why you are putting your proxies in front? So tomorrow, whatever bad carpenter always blames his too. Tomorrow they will say, no, this happened and that happened and all that. If you are a leader, you should take the responsibility, saying, yes, I have lost. So tomorrow, if anything happens, I am responsible for it. I am thankful for the party. The party has given me an opportunity, basically, to lead this panel. So I am really thankful to it. And I will do my best, basically, to see that I get 100% result for the party.
सर वॉटर सिक्सान एक इन्सिडंट जालो बीजेपी लीडर एक आणि एक कॅन्डिडेट पोशा वाटता असताना सापडलो गोवा जालो.
No, see, listen to me. Let me not comment on what has happened because that is not my jurisdiction. It is not for me to decide. That is election commission and whoever are the observers, they will take a note of it. I am not.
So you said you like a straight fight. You like to see your enemies face to face.
Definitely.
The fact that the Congress isn't here to face the BJP, how do you look at that?
No, Congress also is there. No?
Not officially.
No, officially. Now, if President roams around with a candidate, he's not an official candidate.
But they didn't float a panel. That's what I mean.
No, forget. So that is the reason. No, they don't have the strength. That is the reason they didn't float the panel. So they thought, whatever, I cannot defeat BJP alone. They thought. So that's the reason AAP and all these people and the rebel BJP basically is trying to support them. So they are looking at some ray of hope with the rebels. But the rebels are the people who basically have lost their ground. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
So would you say the
I challenge this rebel, whoever has so-called leaders, tell them to contest municipal election. Show me. See, it was all because of Bai. Because of Bai, they had a name. It is like, in a jungle, there are sandalwood trees in it. And at beside them, there are so many trees, wild trees which grow. The moment you cut down the sandalwood tree, and then what happened? The side trees basically try to flex their muscles and they are showing that, they feel that people are looking at them or the smell is coming because of them. The moment the sandalwood tree is cut, then they know that this is. Then it is called a zoo, to burning wood. So these are the burning wood. I've got nothing else to say about them.
Sir, looking at the trend now right now, do you think you will get a 30 out of 30?
I am confident that I'm going to get 30 out of 30.
Okay, you are still confident.
Sorry?
You are still confident that you are getting 30 out of 30. Will you be backing?
Sorry, I didn't get it.
You are still confident.
Confident
I
that
am
you are
100% confident I'm going to get 30 out of 30. We have worked hard whatsoever. People know that our panel is the only panel that can deliver. There is no other panel. These are all people, what to say. So called, they have come together. They are not come to defeat anything. They are not come anything for pension. They are come basically to defeat Babush. Because they feel that they will have no chance whatsoever after this. So here we are in the BJP. They basically have got no this thing to fight the BJP. So that is the reason everyone, the president of the parties and all have roamed together with the candidate. After they may say, no, we have not floated a panel, we have only supported some this thing. As I told you.
दोन कॅन्डिडेट जे तुमच्याकडे असलेले तिकीट मिळवून म्हणून इंडिपेंडंट फाईट केलं.
See, they will meet the bottom. Just wait and see. It's simple as it. See, yes, tell me.
Rebel harbor, party in the action.
Baba bhai, I am not here to decide for the party. Okay, I am a loyal worker of the party and I am working in the interest of the party. I am thankful for the leadership of the BJP for giving me an opportunity basically to lead this panel. I am here to lead the panel and I am here to see that our party gets the full support as far as the panel is concerned.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Take photo.